Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious pepper steak in a crock pot. This method is incredibly easy and yields tender, flavorful results. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of steak, 2 colorful bell peppers, and 1 large onion. Slice your steak thinly against the grain, then prepare your vegetables into strips. This initial prep work sets the stage for a fantastic meal with minimal effort later on. Before adding everything to the crock pot, a quick sear on your steak strips can really enhance the flavor. Just 2 to 3 minutes in a hot pan will create a lovely crust. While that's happening, prepare your savory sauce. Combine about 1 cup of beef broth, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a bowl. Don't forget to add a teaspoon of minced garlic and a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger for that extra zing. This sauce will become the heart of your pepper steak. Now for the magic of the crock pot. Carefully transfer your seared steak, the colorful bell peppers, and the sliced onion into the slow cooker. Pour your delicious sauce mixture over everything, ensuring it's well distributed. Set your crock pot to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or if you're in a bit more of a hurry, on high for 3 to 4 hours. The slow cooking process will tenderize the meat beautifully and meld all the flavors together perfectly. Once your pepper steak is cooked to perfection, it's time to serve up this delightful meal. The meat should be incredibly tender, and the vegetables perfectly cooked. Spoon generous portions over a warm bed of fluffy white rice or your favorite noodles. For an extra touch, sprinkle some fresh chopped green onions or a dash of sesame seeds on top. You've just created a comforting and delicious meal with minimal effort, perfect for any weeknight dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.